This is a peaceful West Virginia country property set on 5+ acres with views, privacy, and a large detached metal building. As you arrive, the property immediately delivers a quiet rural atmosphere, surrounded by open countryside and natural scenery. The land spans approximately 5+ acres, giving you plenty of usable space for outdoor living, gardening, recreation, or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of rural West Virginia. The setting is open, relaxed, and ideal for anyone looking to step away from city life. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, with approximately 1,657 square feet of living space. Inside, the layout offers a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels comfortable and practical for everyday living. A wood-burning stove serves as the centerpiece of the home, adding both charm and efficient heating during the colder months. The interior has a cozy country feel, while still offering functional living space for family or guests. Outdoor living is a strong highlight of this property. A covered porch and deck area allow you to relax and take in the surrounding countryside views, making it an ideal spot for morning coffee or quiet evenings. The property also includes free gas, adding long-term value and helping reduce utility costs for the next owner. For storage and workspace needs, the property includes a workshop area located off the covered porch, as well as a large detached metal building. This structure is perfect for equipment, vehicles, tools, hobbies, or additional storage needs. With its combination of land, functional buildings, and natural surroundings, this property offers flexibility for a wide range of uses.